You got it?
Yep.
Take your feet off the thing. You gotta hold the whole thing.
No. Not good at bending wood.
How am I gonna roll over? I'll do the next one over and then.
Hanging.
Oh, now you're hanging when you're not helping me.
We love having a nice, green, luscious grass here at our campground. So in order for us to continue to have that, we have to be very strategic on how we direct and limit traffic on certain areas in our campground. And in order to do that, we are replacing all of our wood posts with beautiful yellow painted steel posts. And we're going to show you how we're going to do that. Hey, ow, ow, ow. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, ow.
Made a down finger. Hit this down.
Don't drop it.
Not dropping it.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Uh-oh.
Brent is adding extra support to a spot in our attic that did not have anything for some reason. When we were taking everything out and pulling stuff away, we happened to notice that this quarter of our attic on just one side did not have anything. So Brent is adding that because we didn't feel comfortable leaving it the way it was.
Okay, what are you doing, Dylan?
I am wiping these off to get the oil off.
With what?
Mineral spirits to clean off the oil for when we go to paint them so the paint sticks better.
I want to go in with a little bit more detail as to why we are wanting to put these posts in. And that is because we have certain areas of our property that are very, very wet. And I mean That is because of the soil type that our campground is on. So we've got super rocky areas, and then in other parts of the campground we've got yellow or gold sand is what we call it, and then other parts of it is black gold, we like to call it. It is a very black rich soil, but it holds and retains water very well. Great for growing stuff in, but it is not good for when people are parking, and you can just rut up an area super fast if you don't know where you're parking. So these will help keep people in line, hopefully.
You gonna stay up here?
You closing the door?
No.
Oh.
No wonder they screw up. You're messing with it.
I need to go on the 9.
Is that my fault? Okay, Brent, so, you know, I get my facial expression in here. I'm not understanding your thought process here, but now that I look at it, I'm guessing you're going to the telephone pole, the electric bank, whatever, to the woods, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Because my thought process was that you were just going to kind of round it here, but then that wouldn't make sense, so I had to think about it a little bit.
See, we're trashing the way I was.
I was.
Then you're like, light bulb.
I was completely thinking you're an idiot.
Yeah.
He's usually not, though. I really hate saying that.
Truth has came out.
I really hate saying that because my pride doesn't want to do that. But it is smart. I just don't like the yellow. But the yellow's like you can't do it without it being yellow. Otherwise, people won't see it.
I thought about, because I think it is I think intrusive is the right word. It's aggressive. It's aggressive color. But
yeah,
if you do any other color, a neutral color,
people aren't going to see it.
It's not going to be like, oh, we got to stop there. Right now, we have people trying to drive back over there, and then they're trying to park over by the T-piece.
Yeah, which we don't want because it gets a really soft around the pond, especially when it rains. There's like, is this black? We call it black gold here. Is this the black gold?
It's mucky.
It can be mucky the closer you get. And you can see kind of you can't really see it, but in between some of these trees is black gold is what people call it. It's just black sand.
Yeah.
And it mucks up super fast with any kind of rain.
Probably 3/4 of the year, it's going to be fine. Wow, 3/4 of the season is going to be fine.
Yeah, so
in
like
the winter, it's going to be rough.
4 out of the 6 months that we're open, it's fine. But anytime it rains, it just takes a little bit longer to dry out than regular dirt.
Hopefully, by opening season, we're going to have the rest. That's my goal. The rest of the 5 primitive sites.
Just so you all know, I did not know about this, but that's okay.
Yeah.
That's okay. That's what I was going to say. I thought we were only going to do 3.
I think we have enough for 5, and I think I'm going to.
But I feel like
that's what I want to do.
Okay, I did not know about that either. Yeah. So, okay. Okay. We're gonna move that one into the woods area. Okay, I think people would like that.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, so we've got all these posts here, and then we have some more to finish. Or we do have more now? He just brought them?
I just got some more.
Okay.
But I think that I'm gonna round this one more radius. That way, I think it'll look nicer. Instead of just going straight.
So, like here.
It's gonna be a curve, and a natural curve, so people don't drive around that side.
Okay. I get what you're saying. So go to like this point right here?
Yep.
Okay.
Take away the thinking.
Yeah, it's hard. So we're just trying to make it easier for ourselves. Like even this area where I'm standing and where this is parked right now, it's like its own little pond when it rains a lot.